Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Temu affiliate program. Easy steps. So first you have to go to Temu and then click the very first link that you can see here. Now this is Temu interface. Earn commission with Temu affiliate. Tap on get started. Here you can add or enter your email address and password. But for me, the easiest way to sign up is to just by clicking or linking this to my Google account. It's up to you if you want to link to your Facebook, but for me, the easiest is through Google account. Wait for a couple of seconds and you should see that you are now connected or you have created your Temu affiliate program account. Now it's time to promote or start promoting products. Go to products or hot deals and choose any product and click get link. This is your unique referral link. You can shorten the link for easier sharing using free tools like bit.ly. So basically, you just have to simply select that specific product and then tap on share or copy the link. And then you can now share your link online. You can create TikTok videos with unboxing or reviews, Instagram or Facebook stories, YouTube description, blog posts or review sites, Telegram, WhatsApp, or message groups. The more people who click and buy, the more you earn. Now you can track your earnings. Go to the Team Affiliate dashboard. You will see clicks, orders, commission earned, payment status. Temu pays affiliates via PayPal or bank transfer. Minimum payout is usually $20. Payments are made weekly or bi-weekly depending on your region. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.